this is Ynzkie again, and this time I will show you how to make ginger tea from scratch. As you all know, I was under home quarantine for 21 days, so that's why I made my own ginger tea, because according to some studies, ginger tea is good for our health, especially in fighting COVID. So I hope you learn from my video. It's very short video, it's only like 1 minute video. I will just teach you how to do it from scratch instead of buying ginger tea from store. So come on, let's go guys. First is we need to get a fresh ginger from our kitchen. Second, we need to wash the ginger properly because we have to mix it with the boiling water for our drink. Third, we need to start cutting the edges of the ginger so that it's easy for us to peel off the skin and cut it. Fourth one is we peel off all the skin of the ginger. Fifth is we start cutting the ginger in whatever size and shape we want. 6, we put water on a pot and started heating the pot. We have to wait until the water boils. When the water starts boiling, that is the time that we have to put the ginger. We wait for a couple of minutes again until it boils. The water boils again, the ginger will float, but you cannot turn off the fire because we have to wait until the water turns yellowish. When the water turns yellowish, that is the sign that you can actually turn off the fire. You do not like the taste of pure ginger, you can always add some fresh honey, so the taste of your ginger tea a little sweeter. I hope you learned from my video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.